Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this quick video I'm going to check the Flywoo Naked O3 Upgrade Case Kit, a do-it-yourself set which is going to enable you to make the O3 air unit significantly lighter by decasing the air and camera units. First of all, in terms of packaging, the Naked O3 Upgrade Case Kit contains the following items. You're getting two 5.8 GHz linear antennas that are going to replace the heavier antenna that comes with the O3 air unit, an ND filter which double acts as a camera lens protector, these parts which are going to replace the case of the VTX, and this mount which is going to replace the case of the camera unit. First and foremost, in terms of weight saving, using the lighter antennas is going to save you 1.9 grams. Using the naked camera case is going to save you 3.6 grams without the ND filter and 2.7 grams including it. And decasing the O3 air unit is going to be the big weight saver, as it is going to save you 8.1 grams. Altogether, the parts that we are going to remove weigh 16.4 grams. The parts that we are going to use instead weigh 4 or 3.1 grams in case you're not going to use the ND filter, which means that the total weight saving is going to be between 12.4 to 13.3 grams, which is a major difference as an unmodified O3 unit weighs 40 grams. Now, by the way, in case you would like to take it to the extreme and save a couple of extra grams, you can disassemble the micro SD card slot, which will result in a total saving of close to 50% in comparison to the original weight of the O3 air unit. As for decasing the O3 air unit, what you will need to do is to remove the Phillips screws, 8 in total, 4 on each side, preferably using a small and sharp Phillips screwdriver, as in case you're going to use one which is too big, you're going to damage the delicate screws. Here you can see how I've done it pretty quickly. After removing the outer case, you will need to disconnect the MIPI cable, and I'm going to get to it in a moment. And after that, with a small push, you'll be able to separate the second board from the O3 case. On the Naked O3 Upgrade Case Kit, you can find the instructions of how to assemble the case kit. Actually, you might not be able to find it because there are two versions, one with the instructions and one without it. But regardless, the best option is to head over to Flywoo's website, where you can find instructions of how to fully disassemble the air and camera units and how to assemble the naked case kit. In addition, Flywoo recently released a 3D viewing tool for new parts, including the O3 Upgrade Case Kit, and it can be useful as it can help you to thoroughly examine the part and see how to assemble it. Now, one of the important issues in this video that I would like to discuss is this MIPI flat cable. It connects the two VTX boards, and DJI made it a little bit difficult for us to separate the boards, as unlike on the Vista unit, the MIPI cable connector is glued to the connector of the board, which means that if you are going to try to disconnect it and you're not going to be gentle enough, or you are not going to warm up this part, you're very likely to damage it. Unfortunately, at the moment of shooting this video, this simple or maybe not so simple flat cable cannot be purchased anywhere, which means that in case you damage it like me, you're pretty much stuck with a useless O3 air unit. The good news is that things will probably change in the near future, but until the things are changed and you can purchase this cable, you should be extremely careful when making your own O3 air unit. And what I recommend to do is to warm up this part and then lift it carefully, preferably with plastic tweezers. Another option is to purchase a naked O3 air unit directly from Flywoo, and I think that in case you already need an O3 air unit and you plan to prepare it by yourself, that's probably the best option, as even though it's going to cost you some extra dollars, it will be worthwhile, especially if you will end up damaging your O3 air unit. Discussing the MIPI connector was probably the biggest issue that I wanted to discuss in this video. I just wanted to bring it to your attention, and besides that, using a naked O3 air unit is very useful, especially on lighter builds, as it is going to completely change the behavior of your quad. I don't recommend decasing your O3 air unit in case you are using a 5-inch build or maybe even a 4-inch build, but for a 2-inch and below builds, it's definitely going to make a big difference. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. As always, I wish you all happy flying, and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.